TikTok walkthrough. Hey there everyone! As you could see in the previous video, TikTok is an easy-to-join, easy-to-use platform for discovering amazing visual content. Now, what you just saw in the previous lesson was a mere teaser of all the awesome stuff that TikTok lets you see and do. So in this lesson, we're going to give you a complete walkthrough of the app. Start by opening the app. Are you there already? Good. Let's get started. When you open the app, you'll start on the video feed right away, which also functions as the TikTok home screen. At the bottom of the screen, you'll find all the shortcut icons. Let's take a look at them from left to right, starting with the home icon, which simply lets you go back to the home screen from anywhere on the app when you tap on it. Next is the Discover icon. This shortcut will take you to the Discover screen where you can search, browse, and find the latest trending videos and hashtags. Here you can use the search bar to search videos and trending hashtags by keyword. You can tap on the scan icon to generate or scan custom TikTok Q codes that make it easy to follow or be followed. Back on the Discover screen, you will find promoted topics in the top banner and trending content in the bottom. Alright, let's now tap on the plus icon. This will take you to the recording screen, which is TikTok's main feature. This screen is simple enough. You can use the sounds icon to find the perfect sound or track for your recording, the camera icon on the top right to switch cameras, the drop-down icon to display more recording tools, the upload icon to upload an image or video from your device to your recording, and the effects icon to add effects such as stickers or animations to your recording. Once you are ready to start recording, you'll simply have to tap on the record icon button in the bottom center of the screen to start recording. You can tap on the X icon to close the recording screen. Let's now tap on the inbox icon. This shortcut will take you to the notification screen, where you'll find notifications about your account. You can tap on the selection tab on the top center of the screen to select what type of notification you want to see, including likes, comments, mentions, followers, and notifications from TikTok. Here you can also tap on the message icon to go to the direct messages screen, where you can compose messages for your TikTok friends simply by tapping on the plus icon in the top left corner. Let's now tap on the Me icon. This shortcut will take you to the account screen. Here you will be able to customize your account profile picture to check the number of videos you have uploaded, the number of users you are following, the number of followers you have, and your number of likes. You can tap on the menu icon on the top right corner of the screen to go to the account options screen, where you can manage all your account settings and access other options and test features available on the platform. Back on the account screen, you can tap on the Edit Profile button to customize your channel. Here you can personalize your profile picture and video, your name, username, and bio. Here you can also add your Instagram and YouTube profiles. On the account screen, you'll also find a bookmarks icon shortcut that will take you to the favorite section. Here you'll find all the videos, hashtags, sounds, and effects that you have saved to your account. TikTok makes it easy for you to find your friends on the platform. All you have to do is to tap on the Find Friends icon on the top left corner of the screen to go to the Find Friends screen. Here, you can tap on Invite Friends to send custom TikTok invites to your friends, on Find Contacts to locate TikTok friends by their phone numbers, and on Find Facebook Friends to locate TikTok users on your Facebook friends list. Finally, let's tap on the Home icon shortcut to check what you'll find on the video feed. Let's start on the top of the screen. You can control the content you'll see in your video feed by tapping on Following to only see videos from people you follow, or on For You to see videos recommended by the TikTok algorithm. When watching a video, you will see information about it in the bottom left, right above the home icon. Information you'll find here include the username of the user who uploaded the video, the title of the video, and the name of the track or sound used in the video. To the right, you'll find buttons to interact with the video and the content creator. From top to bottom, you'll find a shortcut to the channel that uploaded the video, a like button, a comment button, a download button, and a thumbnail that you can tap on to see information about the track or sound used in the video. And this is it, my friend, TikTok in a nutshell. Now that you know how to use TikTok, are you ready to take the next step? We hope you are, because in our following lesson, we'll be showing you how to switch your new TikTok account into a pro account that will be perfect for marketing. Stay tuned.